girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to say it's been in love. And like guns with the aching, you're getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga call her face, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You shared stories when you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, let's look at jaded. Most of these things I wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the group. 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, drink and get the loot. Pull up with that drink, I'm play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug and bitter man. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Sugar Ray Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine I'm so close to the guy and I can steal the stash sheet.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we
Mr. G is
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Arabella hair, and today I'm reviewing this 13x4 blonde and black highlight unit. And today I wanted to do like that JT inspired hairstyle that I've been seeing going around. I have been wanting to try it for a while now and I just haven't like found the right unit to do it on, but today I decided to do it on this unit, which is just a little bit different because it has a little bit more character to it than just like, you know, your plain black hair. The highlights in this hair is very subtle, like you can see them but you can't really see it like that. You know, like certain pieces like here, they have like the blonde highlight in it, and I was like, you know what, I want to do something fun, something different, something edgy, and just try something that I haven't tried before. And this is what I came up with today. Now, when she first did this hairstyle, it was on Carisha Please, and she was doing an interview with her group member Carisha, aka Young Miami, and she did this hairstyle on this red unit, and it was so beautiful to me. I thought she looked so cool, and she just looked like a rock star. And today I wanted to go ahead and give it a try out on this unit, and I don't know, I kind of like it. I feel like it's definitely gonna take some getting used to because I've never done anything like it before, but all in all, I do like it. I feel like it's very edgy. I kind of feel like I should have had more of an edgy outfit on for this look, but this is, you know, what I came up with today. One thing that I'm really liking about this unit off top is the lace on it. I think that the lace is great on this unit. And as far as customizing goes, I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I think I did such a good job. Like, it looks so good. Like, I absolutely love the way that I customize this unit. I also made sure that I plucked the hairline as well. And you guys saw, like, when I had just flat ironed the unit, actually when I just put the unit on, you guys were able to see like how great I had plucked this hairline. I really like that about it. So I didn't really go crazy with like adding baby hairs or anything, especially on this side. I just left it plain. I didn't add anything on this side. The only thing that I did was just add like a little swoop right here for the sideburns, just to give it like a little bit of character without doing too much. This one, you guys, is 26 inches, but I promise you it's like more so like a 30-inch on me. I don't know if it's just because they just carry really long hair, like their 26 inches just very lengthy, or if it's just because I'm short. But this unit is like super long, and it almost gives like a 28-inch or even like a 30-inch. Like, it's super long, and I really like that about it. The units, this is the front, this is where it's hitting on me. Okay, that's one side, and then I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back, like, so you guys can see like how long it is. Okay, like it's like mid butt for me. But you see, like, you can't even see it all in the frame. Like, it's that long, and this is their 26-inch. So if you're someone who likes really long units, you're gonna like this one, especially if you want to save some money, because 26 inches it's not like the cheapest, but it's cheaper than the 30-inch, and this definitely gives 30-inch vibes. So if you're like 5'2", maybe even 5'5", you can still get away with this unit being very long on you. If you're probably taller than that, I don't really know, girl, but for me, this unit is very long, and I love that about it. So basically, this hairstyle is pretty much a side part with bangs, and it's very simple, and I really do like it. I just feel like it's something different, something fun, just something else to do other than like a middle part, which is like, you know, my usual go-to. And once again, like, I just really like the lace on it. Now, one thing that I did differently today, you guys, and I'm sure you guys probably noticed it, I ordered the wrong lace tint spray. Like, it came in light beige, so I haven't been able to like tint the lace on my units. So even when I went to my beauty supply store to like try to get it in store, like, they're completely sold out. Like, they don't have my color at all. They had like the darkest shades that they had like the darkest shades, and I don't want anything that's like too dark. So today I did use the Kiss like cream foundation. Oh my god, I absolutely love it, and I actually think that helps a lot with like blending my lace so that it's not like so noticeable. So I'm going to show you guys what that product is, because I'm really liking it, and I'm going to use it like on another install as well to see like if it's still giving that same vibe. But right now I'm really liking the product, and I think I should have been doing that like with my, you know, installs in the front, because I've seen girls do that before, but I didn't really like put two and two together until now, until I like tried it out myself, and I actually really like it. Use this e.l.f. brush. It's just like a foundation brush like that, and then I use this. This is the Kiss. I don't know if you guys can see like what it says, but I got it in the color Cappuccino. And I got this from my local beauty supply store. And this is the Kiss Professional Cover and Care Cream Foundation. This is the cream one. Make sure you get the cream one, because they also have a powder one. I'm really liking this, and I think I'm going to be using it on a lot of my installs, especially because I have so much of it. And this brush, and girl, it's like such a game changer. It really helped like melt like my legs, because I had got some of my makeup came off when I was using the Wonder Lace spray, and I was like cutting my lace off, like some of my makeup came off. So it was like discoloration, and I put that on, and girl, it like blended it like no other. Really, really like how that turned out. So all in all, you guys, I'm not gonna make this really long and drawn out. This is the finished look. This is how I am definitely gonna be wearing it, like off to the side like this. I feel like it looks a lot better like this, but I really do like this hair. If you guys are interested, check out the description box down below for a direct link to this hair along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Shout out to Arabella for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.